The act of design, trying to convey a feeling, only humans can do that. Claude is a great partner to power Figma Make because every single person who has taste can just enact it all that easier.
We've spent a ton of time at Figma figuring out how to effectively translate what you have on the canvas to pixel-perfect code that you can just start from. The more that we've worked with Claude in particular, clearly just seems to know code better than most of the models and produces code that we think developers would actually want to write.
Claude is such an evidently good coding model. I don't code. One of the best innovations of the past couple years is that I really don't have to in order to create the things I want to do. You will be able to do things now with Claude that would have otherwise taken you a lot of time, a lot of energy. And I'm really, really excited actually to see all of the new ideas that people are able to produce with Figma Make. Design is going to be a much more accessible practice for people.
I think I'm most excited about any tools that we can create to help folks get to the end products, not just faster, but with higher quality, get more ideas out, do more explorations, and end up at the results that they want to end up with.